We rolled a strand of copper filament into a small ball half the size of a pea, and we're placing it into the test tube.
We are now dropping 6 drops of nitric acid solution into the copper. 6. The 2 reactants are now combining to form copper nitrate as well as a brown gas of nitrogen dioxide. The blue color of the solution is characteristic of the copper 2 ion in water solution.
We're using this glass rod to place a drop of the copper 2 solution from our test tube on a piece of pH paper to indicate if the solution is acidic, neutral, or a basic solution.
From the color, we can identify that the pH level is 1 and it is less than 7, therefore it is acidic.
We're placing a drop of sodium hydroxide solution on the other end of the pH test paper to indicate if the solution is acidic, neutral, or a basic solution.
From the color, we can tell that it's pH number 11, which means it's a basic solution. Placing the test tube into an ice bath, and we're going to slowly add sodium hydroxide, and we're going to continue stirring and adding until the pH level is greater than 7. We're testing to see if it's a basic solution. Our observation has concluded that it is a basic solution. The blue precipitate that is formed is copper 2 hydroxide.
We are placing the test tube in a hot water bath and occasionally stirring until all the solid material is converted to a black-brown substance. This is copper 2 oxide.
The solution is now brown-black after being in the hot water bath. We're using a pipette to extract all the liquid from the precipitate and being very careful not to lose any precipitate.
We are adding 3 milliliters of 3 molar sulfuric acid to the precipitate and stirring gently until the oxide dissolves with the formation of the blue copper 2 sulfate solution.
That was cool. You see that?
It is now a very pale blue solution, which is copper sulfate, copper 2 sulfate.
We're placing the test tube in a cold tap water bath, and we're adding 1 small spatula full of granulated zinc to the solution. We're going to stir it gently using a glass stirring rod until the blue color disappears and all the excess zinc is used up by the acid.
This is our final product. It is zinc sulfate with pure copper at the bottom. During the final stage of our experiment, the zinc bonded with sulfate, and the excess zinc bonded with sulfuric acid and caused bubbling of hydrogen in the test tube.